PORTA Pneumatic Portable dot pin marking machine. Specification: marking area 20 x 50, 20 x 135, 80 x 135. LCD touch type 3.5 screen or 7 big screen to be used with stylus. Logos monograms can be downloaded by USB port directly. Marking speed to 3 character per seconds. Separate controller, easy to repair. No single card, every part is different, located for easy maintenance. Marking head is robust and easy to maintenance. Marking pin hardness is 72 HRC. Marking depth 0.01 to 2 mm. Marking accuracy 0.01 mm. Power supply 220 V/50 Hz. Machine power 400 watts. Air pressure 0.2 to 0.6 MPa. Features: touch type screen for easy operation. A sport can be used with mouse or keyboard. Logos can be downloaded through a sport. Window size is 20*120 or 20*50 to mark big items. Serial no, date, time, and even you can mark shift code easily. Easy to drag the marking place in the window by stylus. Can mark the different types of depths with the 2 types of pin. Marking quality is very good, even you can mark 0.8 mm. Character with the same machine. Inbuilt phones for different type of marking. Memory inbuilt for to save the marking files made by you. Auto mode enabled to start the same marking while switch on and off the machine, no need to find the file again.